Hello friends, control your TV with ease using reliable remote controls designed for quick access, smooth navigation, and hassle-free entertainment. Number 1. Replacement Universal TV Remote. The Replacement Universal TV Remote for Insignia Smart TVs is a versatile remote designed to work with a wide range of Insignia 2020 to 2026 models as well as select Toshiba, Hisense, TCL, Pioneer, and Google/Android TVs. It offers a comfortable premium design with responsive buttons, quick pairing, and reliable long-range performance. Features such as remote finder on supported Insignia models, dedicated streaming shortcut keys. Number 2. Replacement Samsung Smart Solar TV Remote. The replacement Samsung Smart Solar TV Remote, 2019 to 2026, is a premium universal remote designed for compatible Samsung Smart TVs, including Neo QLED, OLED, Crystal UHD, the Frame, and other Tizen OS models. It features Bluetooth voice control, a rechargeable solar cell battery, USB-C fast charging, and solar charging for long-lasting, eco-friendly use without disposable batteries. Number 3. Roku Ultra. The Roku Ultra is a premium streaming device that delivers HD, 4K, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision video with immersive Dolby Atmos audio for a true home theater experience. Powered by Roku's fastest processor, it features Wi-Fi 6, Ethernet, Bluetooth streaming, and a USB port for local media playback. The included Roku Voice Remote Pro offers a headphone jack for private listening, customizable shortcut buttons, voice control. Number 4. Google TV Streamer 4K, Hazel. The Google TV Streamer 4K, Hazel, is a premium streaming device that delivers fast, smooth entertainment with support for 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos for stunning picture and immersive sound. Featuring 32 gigabytes of storage, a faster processor, and a voice search remote, it lets you quickly find movies, shows, live TV, and streaming apps like Netflix with personalized recommendations. It also doubles as a smart home control hub, allowing you to manage compatible Google Home devices directly from your TV. Number 5. High Color Silicone Case Cover. The High Color Silicone Case Cover for the Google TV Streamer 4K 2024 GY3LE remote is a custom-fit protective sleeve designed to safeguard your remote from drops, scratches, dust, and everyday wear. Made from soft, durable silicone, it provides a comfortable non-slip grip while maintaining full access to all buttons and functions. The included lanyard helps prevent loss and makes the remote easier to carry or hang for quick access. Number 6. G9N9N Voice Replacement Remote. The G9N9N Voice Replacement Remote is a Bluetooth voice remote designed for Chromecast with Google TV, HD/4K, and the Google TV Streamer, 4K, making it an ideal replacement for the original Snow Chromecast remote. It features Google Assistant voice search, dedicated streaming shortcut buttons, responsive controls, and a comfortable ergonomic design. The remote pairs quickly via Bluetooth, supports voice commands for searching content and controlling playback. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.